In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange products in Wix stores. If you want to control the order your products appear in a category, Wix makes that process very simple once you know where to go. This is especially useful if you want to highlight best sellers, promote seasonal items, or just keep your store looking more organized for customers. To get started, go to your Wix dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your website and store settings. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Catalog. Inside that section, go to Store Products and then select Categories. This is where Wix lets you manage how products are grouped and displayed throughout your store. Next, choose the category you want to rearrange. For example, you might want to open all products if you want to change the general product order. Or you can pick a more specific category depending on what you're updating. After selecting the category, click Edit to open its settings. Once you're inside the category editor, scroll down until you reach the products list. This section shows all the products currently assigned to that category. If you have a long list, take your time and make sure you're looking at the correct items before moving anything around. To rearrange the products, click and drag the product handles on the left side of each item. These usually look like small icons made of dots or lines. Just click and hold that handle, then drag the product up or down in the list to place it exactly where you want it. As you move items, Wix will update the order based on where you drop them. So this gives you a quick and visual way to organize your store. When you're finished reordering the products, go to the bottom right corner and click Save. This is an important final step because your changes won't be applied until you save them. And that's it. Your products are now rearranged within that Wix store category. If you're organizing multiple categories, you can repeat the same process in each one to keep your storefront neat and intentional. It can also be a good idea to review the category afterward, so you can confirm the order looks the way you want. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.